The website Adam Origin will bring into daylight discoveries I have made over many years of independent research in many fields of science. Numbers, of course, play a big role in the book of nature. Science is working with numbers. Mathematics is the central science for all the exact sciences. But numbers and geometry play a very big role also in the background of biblical language. We learn to count from 1 to 10 with our fingers. But we go deeper now into the secrets of the hand. There are hidden many secrets in the hand, and therefore we have to use another system, and that system is concentrating on the digital bones, the phalanges. And this, in the beginning, this will seem to be like just playing with numbers. I can assure you nothing of that, but I will prove that all these things are very important, related to Bible, to calendar, cycles, and so on. So how do we assign the numbers to the digital bones? We start with the little finger with the little number 1, and we start at the base of the little finger. So that makes 1, 2, 3, ring finger, 4, 5, 6, middle finger, 7, 8, 9, index finger, 10, 11, 12, the thumb, 13, 14. Now the skeleton of the hand consists of 27 bones in total, and of course we only see the digital bones numbering 14, but in the hand itself there are 13 hidden bones, and that makes the division equal to the numeric division we found in the thumb, because we assigned numbers to all the fingers and to the digital bones, and the total of the hand of 27 we find reflected in the total of the thumb, and also the division of 13 and 14 is reflected in the hand. 13 invisible bones and 14 countable visible bones in the digital bones of the fingers. In the common prayer gesture of the Christians, the hands are folded and clasped together, and looking from above we see this multiplication sign reflected in the crossed thumbs. Of course, this sign is not used in mathematics since antiquity, but still it's funny that the operation we are gonna use is multiplication. Multiplication of the numbers we assigned to the digital bones. Now, very curious things happen when we apply the operation of multiplication to the thumbs itself. We start with 13 and 14, the numbers we assign to the digital bones of the thumb. The product of 13 times 13 is 169. The product of 14 times 14 is 196. Yes, these numbers 169 and 196 added together make a total of 365. That's the number of days in a solar year. Is this coincidence? we continue this logic with the numbers assigned to the index fingers. And we get 10 times 10 is 100. 11 plus 11 times 11 is 121. And 12 times 12 is 144. These numbers added together, 100, 121, 144, again make up the number 365. Again, the number of days in the solar year. Coincidence again. Don't you think that with the solar numbers assigned or connected to the index and to the index finger and to the thumb give this sign of perfection a totally new dimension? So, and what do you think now about this sign, thumbs up? Or this sign, Eureka? My name is Gabriel Ruisenaars and I'm a graduate in cultural anthropology. I want to make public my discovery of the origin of the alphabet, my discovery of the origin of Adam and the Kabbalistic tree of life, my discovery behind the secret of all pyramid structures, and many other discoveries related to the Hebrew and Greek languages of the Old and New Testament. Be welcome to follow my posts on Adam Origin website. You won't be disappointed.